This is an example word problem to help you with big idea number 2, and the benchmark is Math 6, Algebra 2-1. 4 items cost $5 and all items are the same price. Explain how to find the cost for 9 items. We're going to solve this problem using the information you learned today about ratios. So let's set up our known and our unknown. Okay? What do we know? We know that 4 items are $5. So $5 per 4 items. And we also know that all these 4 items are equal. Here's what unknown is. The question is, explain how to find the cost for 9 items. So we don't know the cost of 9 items. Okay? This is 4 items for $5. How do we solve this? Well, I'm going to set 2 fractions equal to each other, 2 ratios equal to each other. This is a ratio of $5 for every 4 items. Another ratio is going to be question mark dollars for 9 items. It's very important when you're writing this ratio relationship that you keep items in the denominator and dollars in the numerator. Or you could also do it the other way, just to make sure you don't end up with dollars on one side and items on the other side, right? Okay, let's solve this. To solve this type of equality between ratios, we're going to cross multiply. So here we go. We're going to cross multiply the 9 over here. Remember, every time you copy an equation like this, you have to repeat the equal sign in line with the first equal sign. Then we work from there. What did we change? We changed the 9 to the numerator of the other side by multiplying. So 9 items times $5, right? That's what we changed. Now let's look at what we did not change. We didn't change the 4. We didn't do anything to that. That's still in the denominator. And we still have our question mark on this side, question mark dollars. So 9 times 5 is 45 equals, don't forget about the 4 in the denominator, right? And since we have items over items, we can cross out that unit. We don't need that unit anymore, right? It's just as good as not being there at all, because items over items is 1, just 1 item. All right, so 45 over 4, we still have question mark dollars. Remember, 45 over 4 is the same thing as division. So 4 goes into 4. How many times? 1 time. 4 times 1 is 4. You have a remainder of 0. Copy the 5. 4 goes into 5 how many times? 1 time. 4 times 1 is 4. You have a remainder of 1. Now we have to start adding decimal places because we have a remainder. 0.0 here, and I don't know what's going to come up on the quotient, so I'm going to leave that blank for now. Copy the 0. 4 goes into 10. How many times? 2 times. You would get a remainder of 2 because 4 times 2 is 8, right? I ran out of whiteboard space. 4 times 2 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Let me get another whiteboard. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. We're still not done yet. Let's add another 0. Four goes into 20 evenly. It goes in 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. Remainder 0. This is the answer. 11.25. Question mark dollars equals $11.25. So let's look back at the original problem. 4 items cost $5 and all items are the same price. Explain how to find the cost for 9 items. We used known and unknown to set up a relationship between 2 ratios. We cross multiplied and we got 9 items costs $11.25. That's the answer, but that's not the whole answer because it says explain how.